Hi, I'm Angel and welcome to my channel, and let's get into this Nike inspired Jordan Year photo shoot look. So off rip, I just want to say that I am not a makeup artist or makeup girly. This is also a pretty old video, so I no longer do the techniques that you'll see in here, and I do my makeup a little different now, a lot better with better techniques. But right now I'm starting off with priming my face. Here I'm using the Anastasia dip brow, but I prefer like the e.l.f. like dark brown pencil. Filling those in just a little bit, but nothing like too crazy because I already have like thin brows. Then we're gonna go with like a burgundy lip liner. I don't know if it's a lip liner or if it's just like a color, but a burgundy color just to kind of match my hair and just kind of like blend that in with a spoolie. Now we're gonna get into like shaping the brow. You just use any concealer that you would prefer. I just use a drugstore concealer. It works perfectly for me. I think it's like LA Colors in medium beige. For any eyeshadow or eye look, I like to prep my eyelids with foundation first. I feel like it helps it stay on longer. I started to do like a cut crease, and then I thought it would be better to actually just use the concealer to prep my eyelids a little bit more, just so like the color stays on. Now I'm going to go in with one of Juvia's Place's Warrior palettes. I'm going to put this brown into the crease of my eyelid. As you can see, I wasn't a big fan, so I decided to go with a different palette and go with, I guess, a more neutral brown. The first one was a little warm, so started to add that into the crease just to kind of like darken it because I wasn't feeling the brown too much. It was too light, and I feel like this really gave it the look I was going for. Now we're gonna do a half cut crease. Y'all aren't gonna come at me crazy for how I do this, but this is how I do it. It works for me. Just kind of paint it on to how big and wide I want it. I let it dry for a little bit before putting on the next color. I'm going to go back in with the Warrior palette, and I'm going to choose an eyeshadow that I feel like matches either the color of the concealer or like my skin tone as close as possible. And this is like really important for the look, for what I'm trying to accomplish. And you kind of just want to pack that on there, make sure it comes out smooth and even. And then we're going to go back in with the brown from the same palette before, just to kind of clean up that crease. Okay, so now here's the main event. I'm going to go in with a white liquid liner. And this is where I'm going to create the Nike check logo on the wing. You're going to have like the pointy part of the check on your lid, and then you're going to bring your wing out and a little bit up just to imitate the Nike logo as much as possible. So I messed up a little bit here, but I cleaned it up. You're going to put a line and follow the crease and connect it to the end of the Nike check with the white liquid liner. Once that dries, I went in with some lash glue and followed the line of the liquid liner in the crease. And now it's time for the glitter. Just so we didn't make a mess, I put a little bit in the cap. And then I went in with a flat brush, dipping a little bit of the glitter and then tapping it alongside the liner crease that we made.
Look at her.
You know how glitter goes. It was getting all over my face. So I went in with another palette from Juvia's place. I wanted a white corner.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
And the eye look is done. This is another disclaimer. Again, this is a really old video, and I don't do my makeup like this anymore. But yeah, you might be a little triggered for the next few frames. And now I'm just adding foundation. I used Fenty's matte foundation in 340, and then just kind of putting some concealer under my eyes with the same concealer I used for my brows earlier.
Let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get.
A little bit of contour. Again, I am not a makeup girly. I'm quite sure I did the contouring wrong, but it came out fine. I felt like it needed a little bit of color, so I went in with this cream blush. It's more pink, but it added just a pop of color for the look.
It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too.
For the highlighter, I went with Fenty Beauty's dual chrome highlighters with the more pinkish purple highlighter you see there. I'll add the name in the description below. I just couldn't remember it right now.
I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is my second favorite part of the look, and this is my go-to and my favorite lip combo. Here I went in with a MAC brown lip liner, and then I went in with Fenty's liquid lipstick in the color Unbutton. After you let it dry, I go back in with the brown liner just to kind of clean up the lines. And I kind of let it sit there just to really like take its time to dry as I get ready, because the lip gloss is the last thing you'll put on, and that's what's gonna really make it pop. Here I just use any clear lip gloss. You can get it from the drugstore. I use Essence's clear lip gloss. I think it's perfect and just adds that wow factor to the whole look. Just look at that. Look at those lips. Yes. It's like the perfect color. I'm sorry, guys. And this is the final look. I added some lashes. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Just like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye!